Hello everybody, welcome to another one. Today I got a fantastic unboxing, a retro unboxing. It's something I picked up at Toy Safari in Alameda, California. As I talked about yesterday, I showed off the toy store. But today I want to show off what I picked up, and it's a fantastic TV show that ran 9 seasons from 89 to 98. And it was a fantastic show, and Jaleel White was the main character, or one of the main characters in the show, and that is from Family Matters, a Steve Urkel. So fantastic. I can't wait to open it up. It's been not unboxed, but it has been opened up a little bit, or the elements have been exposed to it because the plastic opened up there. I'm going to open it up carefully, display it in the background there, and then of course keep the box. The box is overall in pretty good shape. The pull string does not work really well. I heard that happens to a lot of these Steve Urkel figures, so unfortunately I don't know if that can be fixed. But either way, sit back and let's check it out. Okay, so here it is. Here is Family Matters Steve Urkel. He speaks his mind. He has a pull string in back. He says, "Try to talk to me, it's no problemo. Did I do that? No sweat, my pet. He 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 he. Snort. And got any cheese?" Those are the sayings he would say if the string would work, or the talk box would work in him, but unfortunately it doesn't work anymore. Doesn't sound correct, at least. Pull the string from their side of the box. There's Steve Urkel from Family Matters. Back of the box, that's pretty cool how they did this, the back of Steve Urkel. I really like that. And he did come with 2 different pants that I've seen. There was a different Urkel figure with a different pair of pants than this one I got. So there he is again, side of the box. And now we're going to open it up carefully and save this box, and I'll display it outside the box. I'm going to have to figure out how to fix this to repair it back to its glory, this plastic, and maybe display it in it once I get new plastic. I've already taken the tape off carefully, just cut along it because I didn't want to damage the box any. And I got to make sure I do this without tearing anything too. We got to give it some fragile TLC. There we go. It's the first time it's ever come out of the box, so let's see, at least as far as I know. And this was released in 1991 for everybody who didn't know. So this was a couple years ago. 90s people will know who he is. Let me take him out carefully off camera for a second so I don't damage the box any. Something's grabbing. I can't figure out what it is. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so I'm making progress getting him out of there slowly. He just fits tight in there, the cardboard. And there it is. Oh, look at the dust. I don't know if you can see it on camera. But definitely I'll have to, there's some dust there. Settle down in the box. It'll have to be dusted real well. But there is Steve Urkel. And how the twist ties are on here. It looks like they're just twist ties. The basic everyday twist ties, not plastic. That's how they shipped it back in the day. We'll keep everything pristine and nice. surprised no one played with this one. Okay, we're getting there. I can feel the dust. It's definitely gonna have to be really, the box is gonna have to be cleaned out and repurposed nicely. Here's the back. As you can see how they shipped it. And why am I opening it? Because I want to restore it, the box, to its glory. It really is not open boxed. I mean, it's really not sealed because the elements got in there, so. Jaleel White did fantastic things, not just Family Matters, but quite a few other projects, including the ever so popular Sonic the Hedgehog. Did a fantastic voice for Sonic on the show. Very dusty. So I'm gonna have to really dust this thing. This twist tying back still and holding on. I'm not sure what it's holding on to now. I guess there's more than one band back there. Okay, we got him out. So there is Steve Urkel. As you can see, very cool figure. I'm going to clean it. And he's got cool glasses. They had one without the box, but he was missing his glasses. Now it would have been cool back in the day. I guess this came out in early '91, so before the show had to really air. But if they had a doll where it could change from Urkel to Stefan, that would have been really cool. But still, very cool, awesome looking figure. Pretty well made. Stitching looks good still, everything. Just dusty. It's gonna have to be dusted. Anyways, that is it for this episode. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to smash that icon button to stay tuned for more videos. And take care, everybody. Have a good one. Until next time.